Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a classic Sudoku on our channel. Now this Sudoku has been constructed by Akash Dolani, and this Sudoku is featured in one of his recent book World of Sudoku Volume 4, which features all of the classic Sudokus. So this is one of the classic Sudokus that was featured on his book, and I would highly recommend you to check out the book. I'll add the link in the description below where you can purchase the book online. It has excellent constructions, excellent classic Sudokus, and the difficulty varies from moderate to hard. So most of the classic Sudokus require advanced logic where you can actually learn how to solve them easily. So he has mentioned all of the advanced logic on how to solve them, how to seek for advanced logic, starting from X-wing, swordfish, Y-wing, XY chain, WXYZ wing, simple coloring, and tons of many techniques. So I would highly recommend you to purchase the book if you are looking for some excellent handcrafted classic Sudokus, and I really thank the author for giving us an opportunity to cover a video on our channel. So this Sudoku is one of the Sudokus that is featured in his book, right? So before going to the Sudoku, I would recommend you to subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we will surely make a video on it. And now coming on to this Sudoku, so we know that classic Sudoku rules apply. You have to place digits from 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and 3 into 3 box without repetition. And with that, we will start solving this Sudoku. So 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 would have to be in one of these two cells in this box, and that gives you 2, 4, and 8, right? So this would have to be 4, this is 8, and this is 2. Nice. So if you see this column, I usually look out for places where you have many digits given in a row, column, or a box, because that will really help you to solve this Sudoku faster, right? And if you see this column, you need only 3 digits, 2, 7, and 9, right? So you cannot have a 2, that would have to be 7 and 9. 2, 7, and 2, 7, and 9. And a 4 here and here will eliminate 4 from these cells, so this will be a 4. Both of these cells would have to be 8, and these two cells would have to be 5. That gives you a 5 in this box and 5 in these two cells, right? Okay, so 6 would have to be in one of these two cells. That gives you a 6 here in this column. So this would have to be 2, 7, and 1, right? So 1, 2, 7, 2, 7. This would have to be 1, 9, 1, and this is a 7, this is a 2, this is a 9. Excellent. That's a very fast solve for now. So 1, 2, you have 3 and 5 here to be placed. So this would have to be 5, this is 3, that gives you a 5 here, that gives you a 7 here, and 6, 8, and 9. So this would have to be 8, this is 9, this is 6. Wow. So we have completed the 3 middle boxes. That was very fast actually. So let's see what else is pending here. I'll look out for this row actually. 6, 8, and 9, right? 6 cannot be in these two cells, so this would have to be 6. These two cells would have to be 8 and 9 in this order because of the 9 here. Okay. Okay, so I will see this box now or this box, because 5 digits are already fit in both of these boxes, so it might help me to get a few more digits if possible. So 1, 2, 4, and 7, right? 7 cannot be here, so 7, 4, 1, and 2, right? So 1 and 2 can be anywhere, so these are the possibilities here. So 1, 2, 4, and 9. So 9, 4, and 1 and 2 will come in all these cells, so I'll just write as it is. Okay, I'll see this row as well. So 2, 3, 5, and 7. 3 cannot be here, 5 cannot be here, 2, 7. 3 cannot be here, so 2, 5, 7. 5, 2, 3, 7, and 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, nothing much here. Oh, 5 cannot be here. So you have a 2, 7 pair here. That actually eliminates 2, 7 from both of these boxes. and 5 cannot be here, so this would have to be 3 and this would have to be 5. That's nice. 3 5s are, so 3 5 would be here and 2 7. Okay, that's nice. And these 3 digits would have to be 6 2 and 7. 6 2 7. Oh, sorry. 2 6 7 and 2 6 7, right? And this would have to be 1 8 and 9. So 8 cannot be here. 1 and 9. 1 8 and 9 and 1 and 8 because of the 9 here. Okay, yeah, I'll see this row now because it might help me to solve something else here. And 3 5 6 and 7, right? 3 7, and this would have to be 6 5 6. 3 5 6 7 5 6, and this would have to be 3 7 6 3 5 7 5 3 6 and 7. Eight would have to be in one of these two cells. 5 cannot be here. 5 would have to be in one of these two cells. I feel something should be there here in these two rows because 4 digits are placed, right? So 1 2 5 6 9. 1 5 9 2 6. 1 9 2 5 6 6 1 2 5 9. Same way I'll get something here. So 1 2 4 5 7 and 9. 5 7 2 4 5 7 9. 7 2 4 5 9 and 2 4 7 5 and 9. Okay, nothing here as well. 2 6 4 and 7 in this column is pending. 7 6, so this would have to be 2 4 2 4 6 and 7. Okay, no. Same way in this column we need 1 2 7 8. 1 2 4 7 8, right? 1 2 4 8. Sorry, I got a call. 2 4 7 and 8. Okay, I'm missing anything. 1 9 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Anything else are we missing? I am. Oh, you have a 2 4 7 triplet here, guys. Sorry, you have a 2 4 7 triplet. So 7 cannot be here. This would have to be 5 and 2 4 5. So this would have to be 9. Excellent. That gives you a 6 here. That eliminates 6 from this cell. That's nice. So we missed that. That gives you a 2 here. And this would have to be 1 9. So this would be 5. Right. So nice. We missed that actually. So 2 is eliminated from this cell. 5 and 9, right? Okay. So 2 is eliminated from here. 2 is eliminated from here. I suspect some Y wing or XYZ wing, WXYZ wing. I'm not sure. WXYZ wing is really difficult to spot, but 1 2 4 8, right? 1 2 4 8. So let me mark the other pencil marks too. 2 1 4 8 and 1 2 4 and 8, right? 1 2 4 8 3 7. 1 4 8 7 3. 1 3 4 8 7. So 1 3 4 8 and 7. This can be anything, right? 3 4 6 7 8. 3 6 7 and 8. Okay. Seems to be really difficult one. Something should be there here. Oh, 4 7 2 4 and 2 7. I see a viving, as I already said. Excellent, guys. So there is a viving here. Wow. And you have a viving here. So let me say you what it does actually. Viving is a place where you have three cells with three candidates, right? AB, BC and AC. So this is AB, BC and AC. And AB and AC cannot see each other. So this is the mutual cell that sees both of these cells, right? But both of these cells cannot see each other. And at this point of time, you have to look out for cells which sees both of these cells simultaneously. Seeing both AB and AC simultaneously. So there are some cells that will see both of these cells simultaneously, which is this cell. And the common between these two cells, so the common candidate between these two cells cannot be in the mutual cell. See the common cell, right? So you have 2 4 and 2 7, which means you cannot have a 2 in this cell. So the moment you have a 2 here, that gives you a 7 here and a 4 here, and that eliminates all of the possibilities from this cell. Excellent. So which means that this cannot be a 2 now. That's a nice logic. And nothing here. So I'm not sure what else are we missing here. Four 7 2 4 2 7 4 7 2 4. Oh, that's an actually WXYZ wing, but I actually love this idea as an extension of Y wing. Wow, this is called an extension of Y wing, XY wing, or a WXYZ wing. So how this works is excellent, excellent. I am loving it. I am loving this Sudoku, guys. So if you see here, you have a 4 7 2 7. I mean to say you have a 4 7 2 4, and one of the 2 7s will have to be here. So there are two ways to see this logic. I'm actually I would love to see both the ways. Actually, I would love to explain both the ways. So if you see here, you have a 2 4 7 2 4, and how a Y wing works is I already said you AB, BC and AC. You have got an AB here, a BC here, and AC would have to be 2 and 7, right? But if you see a bit deep, one of the 2 and 7s will have to be here in these two cells. One of the 2 or 7 will have to be in these two cells, right? So this Y wing is an extension with not only in one cell but two cells. This Y wing works in two cells. So one of the 2 and 7s will have to be here. So what happens if both 2 and 7 are not in these two cells? Both of these cells will have to be 1. Not possible. So you have AB, BC and AC in one of these two cells. That actually what happens is here is you will again have to look out for the mutual cells that sees both of these cells. The cells which are not seeing each other, the green cells and both the red cells. Both the red cells act as a single cell having 2 or 7, right? Of course. Now you have to look out for cells which sees both the green cell, this green cell and both the red cells, which is this cell, cannot have a 7. And that is the mutual candidate between these two, these three cells, both the red cells and the green cell. 4 7, 2 4 and 2 7. So 7 is the mutual candidate between these two cells, and 7 cannot be here. So the moment you have a 7 here, this becomes 4. This becomes 1 and 2 pair, that eliminates 7 from this cell and becomes 1 and 2 pair. So you cannot have anything here. 2 is eliminated, 4 is eliminated. And other way to see is this logic is called WXYZ wing, because that works in 4 cells. So how a WXYZ wing is, that actually also eliminates the same candidate from this cell, that is 7. The WXYZ wing works is one of these 4 cells will surely have a 7. That is actually a very difficult way to see, but one of these 4 cells will surely have a 7. What happens if you don't have a 7 in any of these 4 cells? Let us see what happens here, right? You have a 4 here, we are eliminating 7 from this cell, you are having a 2 here. What happens here is that you have a 1 here and you don't have anything here. If you eliminate 7 from this green cell, you won't have anything here, right? So 7 has to be in this green cell, or 7 would have to be in this green cell. So if you eliminate 7 from both of these cells, you get a contradiction in these 4 cells itself. So which means that 7 would either have to be in one of these 2 green cells. That also eliminates 7 from this cell, because this cell sees both of these green cells simultaneously. Wow. Two way to see this logics. Two way. WXYZ wing or an extension of Y wing, that actually I feel like I usually see that logic. And that eliminates 7 from this cell, and that gives you a 3. Wow. That gives you a 7 here, a 2 here, and a 7 here. Wow. And that eliminates 2 from these 2 cells. That gives you a 2 here. And that eliminates 7 from this cell. 7 from this cell. 1, 3, 4, 8. So 3 cannot, that gives you a 3 in this cell. Eliminates 3 from this cell. 6 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. Okay. Ah, 2 is eliminated from this cell and this cell. 2 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. Okay, let me take out the surface layer, because I suspect something else here. Guys, this is awesome. Another Y wing. Wow, that is awesome. 472427. That eliminates 7 from this cell, and this should be done, I think. That eliminates 7 from this cell, guys. That gives you a 6 here. Wow. So you have a 4 7, 2 4 and 2 7. Same Y wing. That eliminates 7 from this cell, and this would have to be 6 now. That gives you a 6 here. That eliminates 6 from this cell. You have a 4 7 pair now. That gives you a 2, an 8 here. That gives you an 8 here, a 1 here, a 9 here, a 8 here, a 1 here, a 4, a 9 here. That gives you a 2 here, a 4 here, 7, a 1, a 4, a 7, a 2, a 7 here. And this is 1 and 4, so this would have to be 4, and this is 1. Hooray, we completed this puzzle. Wow, what an excellent Sudoku, classic Sudoku by Akash Dholani. So this was an excellent Sudoku. The way it has been designed is excellent. A single way to, 2 ways to see a single logic. You know, extension of Y wing and WXYZ wing. WXYZ wing is nothing but an extension of XYZ wing, which indeed is an extension of Y wing. So going through all of this way, I usually look out for an extension of Y wing. That is really simple to see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to purchase this book if you really are looking for some excellent classic Sudokus. Thank you.